Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to always display Bluetooth icon in Windows 11 taskbar. By default, Bluetooth icon remains hidden under notification area. When you click on this one up arrow button, you will see this one Bluetooth icon to always display on the taskbar on your Windows 11 PC. Select this one Bluetooth icon and drag it to the this one down arrow button, and when you see pin icon, just lift your finger from the mouse and it will permanently sit on the taskbar. To again hide it, under notification area, select the Bluetooth icon and then drag this one icon to the up arrow button, and when you see pin icon with a cross, just lift your finger from the mouse and it will be again hidden under notification area on your Windows 11 PC.